So this is going to be a quick first impression. I did scoop up some contacts from the Colorcl website. They have like the Siesta brand contacts and colored contacts. Like, I don't wear glasses or anything, so I don't need a prescription, but I did scoop up these Herrys Blossom silicone colored lenses. I'll put the price down below, but I do believe they are on clearance for like $6, and I just got the -00, and they are in the color lime green. It's kind of cool. They come in these like liquid in here. They come in these sealed containers, and you just take one out at a time, and then they give you a little contact case. I will actually just put it right here, a split screen. I don't think they changed my eye color too drastically. You can see the clips here, but I will come closer to the camera. I have naturally hazel brown eyes. I do see a slight green cast, but other than that, I think they give me a little something. I just don't know what it is. And of course, I have all like my green makeup on and my green nails and my green outfit. So, okay. So far so good. I will do an update on all of them. They're pretty comfortable. I have worn colored contacts before, so I would suggest if you're not used to wearing them, do not put them in for the first time with a full face of makeup. I lucked out, but you never know. So just a really quick video on these. So far so good. I will come back with a sort of how did it work out wrap up, and there you go. If there is another brand of these contacts or color that you would like to see, let me know. I will have a couple more where I might do more of a try on. If you'd like to see like a multiple color try on, please let me know that as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.